Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Roy English Talk, the place where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Ava, your host for today.
And I'm Paul. Hello, everyone. It's so great to be here with you again. How are you feeling today, Ava?
I'm feeling fantastic, Paul. I had a very nice morning, and I'm excited to talk about today's topic.
That's wonderful. And for our listeners, welcome. Whether you are new to our channel or coming back for more English practice, we are so happy to have you here.
Absolutely. And today we have a very special topic. We are going to talk about daily routines, what we do from the moment we wake up until we go to bed.
Daily routines are something we all have, but did you know they are also very important for English learners?
Yes, by talking about our daily routines, we can practice simple sentences, vocabulary for everyday life, and even small talk that we use all the time.
That's right. Today, we will share our personal routines in a friendly, clear way so you can understand, repeat, and even use these phrases in your own life.
And don't worry, we will speak slowly, explain any tricky words, and give examples. Our goal is to make English learning easy, practical, and fun.
Before we start, we have a small request for our listeners. If you enjoy this podcast, please click the like button. It helps us so much.
Yes, and if you are new here, please subscribe to Roy English Talk. That way, you won't miss any of our lessons.
And one more thing, please share this episode with a friend who is learning English. Practicing together is always more fun.
So today, we will take you through our morning routines, work routines, afternoon activities, evening habits, and night routines.
By the end of this episode, you will have learned hundreds of useful words and phrases to describe your own day.
Are you ready, Paul?
I am ready, Ava. Let's start at the beginning, the morning.
The morning, a very important time of the day. So, Paul, tell me about your morning. Are you a morning person?
Honestly, Ava, I am not. I find it very difficult to wake up early. The alarm clock is my worst enemy.
I see. I am actually a morning person. I love waking up early. There is something calm and peaceful about the morning.
Calm? For me, it is chaos. The alarm rings, beep, 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 and I press the snooze button maybe 5 or 10 times.
5 or 10 times? That is a lot of snoozing.
Yes. Then I finally get up when I absolutely have to because I am late.
That is funny. I wake up before the sun. I like the quiet. There are no cars, no noise, just me.
That sounds very nice. I should try that.
The first thing I do is stretch. Stretching helps my body wake up and feels good for my muscles.
I usually just get out of bed quickly. No stretching, just straight to the coffee machine.
Coffee is important, right?
Very important. My coffee is strong and black. No sugar, no milk.
I like a little hot milk in my coffee. It makes it warm and soft.
After coffee, I check my phone. Emails, messages, news. But sometimes I think maybe I should just sit and enjoy the quiet like you.
Yes, Paul. Sitting with a cup of coffee, looking out the window, is very calming. But everyone has their own way.
True. And breakfast?
I like a full breakfast. Yogurt, fruit, sometimes eggs. I eat slowly and enjoy it.
For me, breakfast is quick. Toast, maybe a banana, because I am already late.
That's okay. The important thing is to eat something to start your day with energy.
Yes. After breakfast, it is time to get ready. I take a quick shower, and then the hardest part, choosing clothes.
I know that feeling. I have so many clothes, but I always feel like I have nothing to wear.
My system is simple. Blue shirts, white shirts, gray shirts. Quick and easy.
That is very smart. No thinking, just grab and go.
And that is my morning routine.
Mine is calm, slow, and peaceful. But both ways are okay. The important thing is to start your day in a way that works for you. So, Paul, after the shower, how do you get ready for the day?
Well, Ava, first I always check my schedule. I like to know what meetings or tasks I have. Then I choose clothes quickly. Like I said, my blue or gray shirt system makes it easy.
That is smart. I spend a little more time. I like to pick clothes based on my mood and the weather.
Weather is important. If it is cold, I wear warm clothes. If it is hot, something light.
Exactly. And after clothes, I prepare breakfast. Some days I have yogurt with fruit or eggs. Sometimes I even make pancakes if I have time.
Wow, pancakes. I wish I had that much time. For me, toast or a quick banana is enough.
And coffee? I noticed you love coffee in the morning.
Absolutely. Coffee is essential for me. I usually make a strong black coffee and drink it slowly while checking my phone.
I prefer to enjoy my coffee quietly. Sometimes I sit by the window and just think about my day.
That sounds relaxing. Maybe I should try it instead of checking emails immediately.
It is nice. And breakfast is important for energy. Skipping breakfast can make you tired quickly.
True. And after breakfast, I get my bag ready. Laptop, notebooks, keys, everything in order.
That's a good habit. Being organized helps prevent stress later.
Yes, and then I brush my teeth and put on my shoes. After that, I am ready to leave.
Perfect. I also like to check my makeup or hairstyle quickly, just to feel confident for the day.
Confidence is important. And a small tip for our listeners, having a simple morning routine reduces stress and helps you start your day positively.
Absolutely. And using simple English to describe your routine is also a great way to practice English. You can say, I wake up at 7 a.m., I drink coffee, or I go to work.
Yes, beginners can repeat these sentences to practice grammar and pronunciation.
And don't forget, describing your morning to a friend in English is also excellent practice.
So, to summarize this part, shower, clothes, breakfast, coffee, organizing, and leaving on time.
That's right. Simple steps, but very important for a productive day.
And now let's talk about the commute. How do you go to work, Ava?
I drive my car, but traffic can be stressful.
I take the bus, which is crowded sometimes, but I can listen to music or a podcast.
Listening to English podcasts during your commute is an excellent way to practice listening skills.
Exactly. It is like learning English while traveling.
Okay, Paul, let's move on to the workday next.
So, Ava, your drive to work, how long does it take?
Around 30 minutes, but traffic makes it longer sometimes. Stop and go traffic is not fun.
Yes, I know. My bus ride can be slow too, but I like to use the time wisely. I put on headphones and listen to music or an English podcast.
That's smart. Learning while commuting is productive.
Sometimes I also read short articles on my phone, but I try not to get distracted.
And the bus is crowded?
Very crowded. But I find a spot near the window and just watch the city. It is relaxing in a way.
That's a nice perspective. Observing the environment is a great way to practice English, too. You can describe what you see, in your mind or in a notebook.
Yes, the bus is crowded. People are reading. The sun is shining. Small sentences easy for beginners.
Exactly. And driving your own car has its challenges. You have to focus on traffic, obey signals, and sometimes deal with slow drivers.
And listening to English while driving can help improve your listening comprehension. You just need to make sure your attention stays on the road.
Safety first. And the commute is also a good time to plan your day. Think about meetings, tasks, or what you need to do at home.
For me, I sometimes think about breakfast, coffee, and work tasks while on the bus.
Planning in your mind is excellent English practice. You can say, I will eat breakfast. I will check emails. I will have a meeting.
And if you speak out loud, even better. Your pronunciation will improve.
So after the commute, we arrive at work. That is the next part of our day.
Yes. And the workday is always busy, isn't it?
It is. Let's talk about morning work tasks next.
Ava, when I arrive at work, the first thing I do is coffee again. A little morning coffee is necessary.
Yes, coffee is important. Then I go to my desk and check emails. Emails are a big part of the morning.
I read and reply to emails too. Some are quick, some take longer.
And meetings. Do you have many meetings in the morning?
Yes, usually 2 or 3. Some are about reports, some about projects. Talking is the main part.
Same for me. I help people answer questions and sometimes explain tasks. It is a busy but productive time.
When talking to coworkers, using simple English is helpful. Say, "Can you help me?" or "I need this report today."
Beginners can practice small sentences for work too. I have a meeting. I will send an email. I am busy now.
And don't forget, listening is as important as speaking. Listening to coworkers helps you understand natural English.
Morning work is also a good time to focus on important tasks when your energy is high.
Yes. And sometimes I take a short break, walk around, or drink water. Staying healthy is important.
True, health and focus go together. And small talk with colleagues is also good English practice.
Yes, like saying, "Good morning. Did you have breakfast?" Or "How was your weekend?" Small phrases, easy to learn.
Okay, Paul. Now let's move on to lunch, which is always a favorite part of the day. So, Paul, it's lunchtime. This is always one of my favorite parts of the day.
Mine too. I really enjoy eating, especially after a busy morning.
Do you bring your lunch from home or buy it at a cafe?
I usually bring my lunch, a salad, a sandwich, or something quick I prepare in the morning.
That's very organized. I sometimes bring lunch, but other days I buy it. There is a small cafe near my office.
Buying lunch is nice because you get a break and you can walk a little. Walking is healthy.
Absolutely. And lunchtime is a great time to practice English, too. You can talk to coworkers, order food, or even read a short article in English.
Yes, simple sentences work well. I would like a sandwich. Can I have some water? Or thank you.
And with coworkers, you can say things like, "How was your morning? Did you finish the report?" Small talk is very useful.
Exactly. English learners often forget small talk, but it is very important in daily life.
Lunchtime is also a good time to rest your mind. Eat slowly, enjoy your food, and recharge.
Yes, and I usually eat with a friend or listen to music. Sometimes I even review my schedule for the afternoon.
That is smart. Planning your afternoon helps you stay organized.
And snacks. Sometimes after lunch, I like a small snack if I am hungry.
Me too. Fruit, nuts, or a cookie. These are easy and quick.
Remember, learners can practice English while preparing lunch too. Say aloud, "I cut vegetables," "I make a sandwich," or "I drink tea." It helps with pronunciation and confidence.
Yes, speaking about real-life activities is the best way to learn English naturally.
After lunch, energy is restored and it is time to continue work. But for many people, including me, the afternoon brings sleepiness.
Let's talk about that next. The famous afternoon energy drop.
Around 3:30 or 3 p.m., I feel sleepy sometimes.
Yes, me too. This is normal. After lunch, the body uses energy to digest food, so a short dip in energy is natural.
What do you do when you feel sleepy, Ava?
I usually take a short walk or stretch. Walking for 5 minutes helps me wake up.
I sometimes drink tea. Green tea or black tea helps me focus.
Snacks are also good. A fruit, yogurt, or nuts give quick energy.
Some people drink coffee again in the afternoon. It is okay in moderation.
Yes, but too much coffee can make it hard to sleep at night.
True. At work, afternoon tasks can be challenging. Concentration may drop. So I try to do lighter tasks or creative work during this time.
Same here. I organize emails, plan meetings, or review documents.
And learning English, you can practice small sentences even while working. I feel sleepy. I will drink tea. I will walk for 5 minutes.
Beginners can repeat these sentences and practice daily routine vocabulary.
Sometimes funny things happen in the afternoon when we are tired.
Like mistakes. I once sent an email to the wrong person.
I burnt the rice one time.
It is okay. Everyone makes mistakes, especially when tired.
After the afternoon work, the next exciting part of the day is going home.
Let's talk about the evening routine next.
After work, I take the bus home.
I feel tired but happy to go home.
I drive my car. Traffic is slow, but I am glad to see home after a long day.
First thing I do when I open the door is greet my cat, Bella.
And I greet my dog, Max. Pets are very happy to see us.
Yes, and pets can make us feel relaxed after a busy day.
Then I change clothes. Comfortable clothes are the best after work.
Me too. I put on a t-shirt and relax.
Next is dinner. Do you cook, Paul?
Not really. I sometimes order pizza. Cooking is stressful for me.
I cook simple meals. Pasta, soup, eggs, or salad. It is relaxing for me.
And after dinner, it's time for light activities. I clean the kitchen, then watch TV.
I like to read a book or listen to music.
Some people also go for a short walk in the evening. I take Max for a walk sometimes.
Walking is healthy and helps digest dinner. Plus, it is a chance to enjoy the quiet evening.
And after relaxing, it is time to prepare for bed.
So, Paul, when do you go to bed?
I usually go to bed around 11:30 p.m. I am not a morning person, so I like to sleep later.
I go to bed earlier, around 10 p.m., because I am a morning person.
Before bed, I brush my teeth, maybe read a book or check something online, then sleep.
I also brush my teeth, put on pajamas, and read for 10 minutes. Then, lights out.
Night routines are important. They help us sleep well and prepare for the next day.
And talking about routines in English is excellent practice. Beginners can say, I brush my teeth, I put on pajamas, I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Yes, simple sentences make English learning practical and easy.
So today we discussed our whole day from waking up to bedtime.
Morning, coffee, breakfast, commuting, work, lunch, afternoon energy, evening routines, and night habits.
Listeners, try to describe your own daily routine in English. You can speak, write, or even record yourself.
And a fun question for you, are you a morning person like Ava or an evening person like me?
Write your answer in the comments below. We would love to read them.
That's all for today. Thank you so much for listening.
Remember to like, subscribe, and share this episode with a friend who is learning English.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.